Imindeni yabangasekho ithi ukucekelwa phansi kwamatshe sekudala umonakalo omkhulu kule ndawo kwaphinde kwehlisa nesithunzi samathuna abathandiweyo babo.
Who does things like that? You know, it's okay, the soul is gone up to heaven, but the body's still there.
Kanti bathi ukungabi bikho konogada kule ndawo kunomthelela.
Ward councillor did nothing, absolutely nothing. There's no caretaker there.
Kuzomba iqolo emndenini ukulungisa lamathuna abathandiweyo babo.
Depending on which type of tombstone, is it the one with the ledger with the granite tops or the cement sides, you know, with the stones on it, you know, so that thing can go anything from 10,000 to 20, 30,000 rand.
Owengamele zokuphepha komphakathi uyakuphika ukuthi abekho onogada kule ndawo.
We do have a caretaker at this cemetery. There's a house, there's a caretaker, and there are people that works here on a daily basis. But obviously at night there's no security, and it's something that we have to rectify. And because after hours we don't, there's no one, and we don't think there should be someone guarding cemeteries.
Imndeni ithi ukuze ikwazi ukuthola kalula amathuna amalungu ayo emangcwabeni kuye kwafanele ifake amatshe ahlukile nashibhile kunakuqala ngoba yesaba ukuthi azophinde acekelwe phansi.